Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make my favorite easy taco salad. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I have a refreshing, easy dinner option for you that can be ready in under 30 minutes. Now let's go ahead and get right to it and head over to our stovetop where you're going to need a medium-sized skillet. We're going to be cooking a pound of ground beef or your ground meat of choice. Today I am using ground chicken, so I'm just going to lightly oil the pan and set it to medium heat before adding that. Now cook your meat until it's browned and drain it if necessary. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning and 2/3 cup of water. And we'll stir that together, bring this mixture to a simmer, and cook until the sauce is nice and thick. Now remove that from your heat and let's head back to our countertop where you are going to need 6 cups of chopped romaine. You can chop this yourself or you can buy a couple of those bags of pre-chopped lettuce. You're going to want to place this in a very large bowl because we have quite a few more ingredients we're going to be adding today. We'll be adding 1 pint of cherry tomatoes, and I like to cut these in half before adding them. Some of these are kind of big, so I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. Basically, I want everything that I'm adding to be bite-sized. Now we'll add 1/3 cup of finely diced red onion, and this is a huge onion, so I'm only going to need a little bit of it. We'll call that a heaping 1/3 cup. You'll also need 1/3 cup of finely chopped cilantro, and 1 diced avocado. Now if you'd like, you can also add a few slices of fresh jalapeno, but do so sparingly as a little bit goes a long way and this taco salad could become really spicy really fast. I'm cutting my slices really thin and I'm only using a single jalapeno pepper here. Now a couple commenters have mentioned that they also like to add black beans and corn to this recipe. That will work great if you'd like, but I don't typically put those ingredients on my tacos, so I leave them out here. However, I am going to be adding 1.5 cups of sharp shredded cheddar. Now at this point, your ground beef, or in my case, ground chicken, should have had enough time to cool, so we'll go ahead and add this onto our salad. I always try to pour this towards you guys, but my arm just doesn't go that way. Now toss everything together and then we will prepare our salad dressing. See why you need a large bowl for this? Our dressing is a really simple mix of 1/2 cup of sour cream, a 1/2 cup of your favorite salsa, and 1.5 tablespoons of taco seasoning. We'll just whisk these ingredients together really well and then we will toss them into our salad. And that is how you mix together one of my favorite easy weeknight meals. Now make sure you have some corn chips on hand because when you serve this, I like to take a handful of those, just crunch them up and sprinkle them over my salad for a nice bit of texture and an extra salty kick. Thank you guys so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you love this one as much as I do.